Hey everyone, the profit and loss (P&L) statement remains the most critical report for any business owner. It provides a real-time snapshot of your total income minus your total expenses, revealing your bottom line or net income so you can make informed decisions about your company's growth. Step 1. Navigate to the Reports menu. We are starting with the Analytics Hub. QuickBooks has centralized all financial insights into one place, so you don't have to hunt through individual transactions to see the big picture. Look at the main left-hand sidebar and click on Reports. Under the Favorites section at the top, select Profit and Loss. If you don't see it there, you can use the search bar within the Reports page to find it instantly. Step 2. Set your reporting period. Now we move to time frame customization. We do this because a P&L is only useful if it matches the specific period you are analyzing, whether that's last month, this quarter, or the entire fiscal year. Locate the Report Period drop-down menu at the top of the report. Select a preset range like this year to date, or enter a custom date range. After changing the dates, click the green Run Report button to refresh the data. Step 3. Analyze key financial metrics. We are performing a performance review. The P&L is broken down into specific sections that tell the story of your business's financial health. The top section shows all revenue categorized by the products or services you sold. COGS shows the direct costs tied to creating your products. Gross profit is your income minus COGS, the raw profit before overhead. Expenses lists your operating costs, like rent, utilities, and marketing. Net income can be found at the very bottom. This is your actual profit or loss after everything has been paid. Step 4. Use advanced comparisons. We are finishing with strategic comparison. In 2026, the power of the P&L comes from comparing current performance against the past to identify trends. Check the box for Compare Another Period. Select Previous Year to Date to see if your business is growing or shrinking compared to the same time last year. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.